Is your preschooler ready for kindergarten? Let's practice our skills to understand our world and community. The Texas Education Agency provides a list of skill domains to help determine if your child is ready for kindergarten. Our goal today is to make those standards a little easier to understand and share ways that you can help your child build those skills every day. Today, we're talking about social studies, or the skills we use to understand our world and how communities work together. These skills help us understand how time works and how we organize our lives around it. We'll also explore the important customs, symbols, and celebrations that celebrate and represent our beliefs and national identity. Help your child understand how time and routines help structure our lives. Talk about the routines and events that make up your day, or try creating a schedule for your day. Give your child plenty of opportunities to talk about yesterday and today. What was the weather like yesterday? What do you think it will be like today? Share and explore different community symbols. What flags do you see? Where do you find them? What colors and shapes do you see on them?